everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make tandoori chicken.
It's an oven-baked chicken that's marinated in yogurt and spices.
And it's another one of my favorite dishes growing up in India. It's traditionally made in a clay oven or a tandoor, but today we're going to show you how to make it in a regular oven. To start, we're going to marinate the chicken pieces. Take a non-reactive bowl like glass or stainless steel and add in 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of meat masala powder or garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and finally 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix all of this together until it is well blended. Now you can get this kind of meat masala powder in most Indian stores. It's also called garam masala. This spice blend we're using today includes cardamom, cloves, and fennel seeds, among other ingredients. We've listed all of the ingredients of this meat masala powder in the description section below to help you identify a similar one in the store.
And if you don't have ginger garlic paste, you can substitute the 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste with 2 tablespoons of freshly minced ginger and 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic.
Now, when your meat marinade mixture is ready, take 3 to 4 pounds of whatever chicken pieces you want. We like using chicken thighs, and taking 1 piece at a time, cut about 3 deep gashes on each side. Then place the chicken pieces in the marinade mixture, massaging the marinade into the gashes, as well as all over the chicken pieces. When all the chicken pieces are thoroughly coated with marinade, cover the bowl with plastic wrap. We're going to leave the chicken in the fridge to marinate for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably overnight, for all the flavors to infuse into the chicken and for the yogurt and the lime juice to tenderize the meat.
Take the chicken out of the fridge about 1 to 2 hours before you intend to bake it. Take a large baking pan and cover it with foil to prevent burnt pieces from sticking to the pan. Place a metal rack on top of this foiled covered pan, then arrange the chicken pieces skin side up on the metal rack and continue allowing the chicken pieces to come to room temperature, up to 2 hours.
Letting the chicken come to room temperature before baking will help the pieces cook more evenly and will prevent the middle from being undercooked.
When you're ready to cook the chicken, take an oven rack and position it in the middle of the oven and preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. You want your oven to be really hot. Then take a small bowl, add in 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1/8 teaspoon of red food coloring powder. Mix this together as much as you can. The food coloring powder will not readily dissolve into the oil as it's not water soluble, but don't worry as the color will become activated when it's brushed onto the chicken. Using a brush, baste the top of the chicken pieces, which should be skin side up at this point, with the oil red coloring mixture. As you can see, the red coloring is starting to show once it is brushed onto the chicken. Bake the chicken on the middle rack in the preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then take the chicken out of the oven and turn the chicken pieces over. Like before, brush the other side of the chicken pieces with the oil red coloring mixture.
Return the chicken to the oven and continue baking for another 20 minutes. Or until the thickest part of the thighs reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Garnish your tandoori chicken with lime wedges and whatever sides you like.
Yum.
So good. The yogurt really makes that chicken so tender.
It really does, and I love all the flavors from the spice blend.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this tandoori chicken. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. Maraming salamat!